Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vero's World. So yeah, today I know it's been kind of like a while, so but bear with me. I'm a college student, so your girl gotta study and make those grades, okay? So today we're doing an unboxing. So I'm trying to go into something new, something, I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone, something that I've actually like never done before. I think it will be perfect. So I have here, it's not something big or of course it's from Amazon. So okay y'all, unboxing. So stay tuned into this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're new, welcome and thanks for coming. I love you guys, and if you're old, you already know the drill. Anyway, so okay, your girl is lazy, so don't mind me, okay? Now, okay, so this baby needs to go a little bit down. So as y'all can see, I am doing an unboxing today. I bought from Amazon. I already opened it and I'm sorry, okay? So I bought a mannequin head. I will be going into weeks, because this hair hasn't been doing a great job. Or maybe, is it me or the hair or something? Anyways, I don't know. But, anyways, that's the story for another time about my hair. But I've been struggling with going natural and all of that stuff. But I'll make like a separate video about that and explain to you guys, okay? But hey y'all, this is so beautiful. Look how it's made. Okay, let me stop. This is the brand. See how it is? Look at this baby right here, man. And 21, yes, your girl head is so small. I had to measure my head. I couldn't believe, like, I had to do it like over and over and over again to make sure I was actually 21. That is so small. But anyways, I love this. Like, I love it a lot. And it came with instructions and all of that. Let me show y'all. So you see like this one. See, it shows you the sizes, and they have all the freaking sizes. Okay, they have a size 20 till 24, so y'all can see, and they put instructions on how to measure and how it's made or what it's made with and all of the stuff right there. And then they gave and then I didn't know I was buying like from the same company or something like that. But look at this. Oh my God. Okay. So, and now, so the best tripod I have, oh my God. I can't believe this. Look at the bugs. Like, let me show y'all real quick. Look how nice. How nice this is. And I read the reviews before buying it. So this is okay. And what else? Right here. And for this. So this is like a multi-purpose, tripod. You can use it for wigs, mannequin head. As you can see here, for cameras, your phone, and projector too. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. And an iPad. So it's a multi-purpose or multi-thing like that. I love this thing. Okay, I opened it. It didn't actually, it's just an empty freaking box. But anyways, and it also, firstly, this thing was so hard to open. I'm like, what the heck? It was really, so this was in it, and they gave me like an extra thing of this. I don't know what this one is for, but like they gave me an extra. And then I have I bought the black because they have three different colors that I saw. It has the menu book. Ooh, okay. Oh, guys, okay. So it shows you instructions on how you can do it, and I'll be showing you too how to fix it. Like, it's not that hard to fix actually, and like everything you see will be in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box for the links, and they're all from Amazon. And I have a 1-year warranty. Can you imagine that? Like, who actually does that? Look, I have it 1 year. They give you a phone number. Man, y'all need to buy this, okay? Y'all need to buy this, and I'm gonna keep this, so if anything happens to it, I know where to call. I know what to do, okay? Let me put this back. It's kind of important to me. And it comes, you know, with a bag. Like, you can actually, you know, you want to go film outside, you can just do a little bit of, you know, touch it like this. Look at this. You can just go away and go with this anywhere. It's so small too. Oh my God. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. Time for the ooh. Anyways, let me stop. Okay. Oh my God, like, this is so, look at it. It has all these things inside. I like it. It's very durable. Well, I didn't actually. Now this is the baby right here. Oh my God, it looks so steady. Oh my God. I think I'm in love already, okay? Now, I am in love. Look at this. Okay, all right. It's not that hard to do this. Ooh. Okay. So, I will show y'all because I know you. But you can actually, you know, when they say it's for iPod or camera and all of that stuff, you can unknot this from here. You see this? I think this is where, like, you just put everything you want to put and take this baby out. But you can put it back in because this is what I'm using it for. Okay. So, let's put that baby back in. Okay. So let me show y'all the real. Alright. So this one right here, it has this orange thing. Okay, so you have this red or orange. I don't even know what color. But look at this. You can press this down, and this, see how it comes? It comes with 3 layers like this. So if you want to adjust it so that it can be long, you just break out this, and it gets so long, guys. Just this, see? Let me show y'all. So if you want to put it back and don't want it too tall, you can do that. So so you see, this is the first one. So if you want it longer, you can go this way with it, and then you just like this. And you do the same thing with all of them. All right, then. It is so steady. Oh my God, it's steadfast. Okay, I like it. It doesn't shake. It doesn't move either. It's so tall, and I don't want it that tall. Okay. Ooh, I don't know whether I can show you guys. But here it goes. So you see, right here, it's steady, like really. Okay. So now I'm about to fix the mannequin head. So Oh my god. I don't think we need any more explanation for this. Okay, I'm too short because I love sitting down. So I'll be trying to adjust it to put it to the second side because, all right, so you see, I tuck it in just like that. Woo, do not follow me now. Okay, so let's see here. All right, I made it shorter. This is amazing, guys. Y'all y'all need to check this out, like, for real. Look at how beautiful this is. I love it. It's very, very easy to assemble. It had, like, if you cannot, it has instructions and all of that stuff. And I bought pants. You know what they said. I bought the pants. It didn't actually leave any. Well, it left a little bit of hole, but you know, that's just it. Okay, these pins are really nice. You have the long, guys. I love everything about this. Well, I didn't actually spend a lot of money buying it, but I'm glad I did because I was very skeptical about this tripods and things like that. I bought this like $36 or so. No, the tripod, I bought it $36 and this was like $23, but everything will be in the description box, so y'all go check it out if you want a steady tripod. And I'll be doing like a 3-month update about everything too, so y'all can know that it is, you know, a good quality that you can actually rely on for years, because I don't just buy things. I buy things that, you know, last me a longer time. So yeah, okay, that's it for the unboxing. Actually, just 2 stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I did a good job, but anyways, thank you guys so much for the support, the love, and everything. I will be posting once a week, actually, because of my school schedule and my work. You know, I won't be able to upload like every single day, but college is about to close down and we're in a, like, you know, finals or something like that. So after that, December, y'all just get ready because your girl will be posting a lot and going live a lot. Anyways, thank you guys so much. All right, thank you so freaking much. Oh my god. Okay, I need a thumbnail. Oh, mannequin head. Oh. Okay, I'm on camera. My bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Oh my god, I love you guys so much. Make sure, if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. Please like this video. Please like this video. Make sure you share and you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe.